Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how to cut and sew this pant trouser that you're seeing here. I and Nancy TV are collaborating to make this video on how to cut and sew this pant trouser. Yeah, so if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorial. So as a beginner, for you to know how to cut this pant trouser, first thing you need to know is how to take proper measurements for your pant trousers so they will sit properly. As you already see on the thumbnail, this pant trouser is a high waist pant trouser. So I'm going to show you how to take the measurement. First measurement we have to take are the horizontal measurements, which are the circumference of your client. First, you have to take round the waist measurement. For you to take that, you need to know where the smallest part of the waistline is. So if you want to know that, you can quickly touch your clients and know that if you're a beginner. So you take round the waist circumference. As you can see how high I'm taking it, that's where the smallest part of the waistline is. And as you can see, I have 28 inches here. Next horizontal line you have to take is the hip line, which is the circumference of your hips, the largest part of the hips. So make sure you allow your tape to go round properly on your clients. Your client should be wearing at least something that is fitted on them so that you take the exact measurement. So I'm going to take round, as you can see, what I have here is 38.5 inches. Next circumference you need for this pant trouser is the thigh measurement. So you're going to take around your client's thigh. As you can see, mine is 24. So you take the largest part of the thigh round measurement. Next thing for this pant trouser, you're going to need your bust pan measurement. And for you to do that, you're going to take from one end of the nipple to the other. So whatever this is, you're going to divide it by 2, and that's where you're going to be inserting your dart. Next for us to do is to take the vertical measurement. Before I do that, I would like you to know that this is a collaborated video, like I said in the intro of this video. So I am going to be collaborating with Nancy TV. If this is your first time hearing about Nancy TV, Nancy TV is a content creator into sewing niche. She has a lot of videos ranging from boo-boo gowns, different types of pant trousers. If this is your first time hearing about her, I'm going to drop the link below so that you'll be able to click on the channel and watch her videos. Now guys, today's collaboration, I am going to show you how to take proper measurements for the pant trouser, and Nancy TV will be the one to cut and sew this. So I'm going to drop in the link below how to cut and sew this after taking these measurements. So make sure you learn how to take the measurement, then head over to Nancy TV to watch how to cut and sew the pant trouser. Now for us to take the vertical measurement, again from your waistline, you're going to take, first measurement you're going to take is the hip line. So for you to get that, you're going to take from your waistline down to the hip line. You're going to take the line at the fullest part of the hip line. For mine, it is 8 inches. And then the next measurement you will need is your crotch depth. I'm going to skip that. I will do that later. So the next measurement you're going to take is the length of the pant trouser. You're going to also take from, I will advise one thing, is either you tie a rope on your client as a beginner, it will help you. Is that either you tie a rope on your client where you want this pant trouser to sit, or you're going to hold your tape like I'm holding it like this so that you don't make any mistake. So you're going to hold it here and take the length of the pant trouser. So as you can see, the pant trouser stopped somewhere here. So for mine, it is 41 inches, as you can see. So you're going to minus from where the gather started from. So if this length is 41, you're going to minus whatever the length of the gather is. Now we're going to go over to how to take your crotch depth measurement. I have video on how to take different types of crotch depth measurements, but I'm going to show you one simple one that you're going to use. If you want to learn how to take different types of crotch depth measurements, I'm going to drop that in the link below. But today I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it as a beginner. To take your proper crotch depth measurements, you're going to let your client sit on a flat surface like this, and you're going to take from the waistline down to where the flat surface is. So in my own case is 11 inches. So make sure the same place where the smallest part of the waist is, you're going to take down where that place is. Sit inside, sit in. Yeah, so as you can see, this is where the flat surface is, and what I have here is 11 inches. So for this client, her crotch depth length is 11 inches if she's making a high waist pant trouser. So guys, with this, I hope you should be able to make the pant trouser we have on the thumbnail. So I'm going to drop in the link below how to cut and sew this on Nancy TV's channel. Guys, with this, I'm sure you'll be able to cut this pant trouser perfectly. If this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button to turn part of this community. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always supporting. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.